You guys sound great. Listen up. They're ready. All we need you guys to do is follow Vic. You probably know what we're about to do. Don't be nervous. He's going to be standing right here next to you, all right? Gentlemen, just hang out. This is for the kids. We go straight to the finale. You look fantastic, man. I like the way you look right now. We all need to hang out. E-Board City? We'll talk about it later. All right. The kids are ready to go. If you guys are having a good time, make some noise. When I say DJ, you say kick it. DJ.
Kick it.
DJ.
Kick it.
All right, kids, follow in. Here we go.
Energy for the kids, guys. Come on.
All right.
To the finale. Watch it.
Follow me. Very easy. Left foot out.
Audience helps us out.
Arms out.
Everybody's hands going. Hands. Keep your hands going. Aplaudan las manos. Faster. Watch it. Okay. Follow him. Forward. Take your time. Bring it back.
All right.
Down. Switch. Arms.
All right.
That's not rehearsed. All right. This is my favorite part. Nothing is rehearsed. The audience is ready. One last maneuver before we do the finale. Vic, follow. Everybody's hands going. Here we go. Hands. Watch it. Faster. Down. Up. Let's go.
All right.
One more. Forward.
All right. No, wait, hold on. Somebody make some real noise for these kids. Come on, make some noise. Wow. That's my favorite part of the show. Listen, That was good.
You guys are ready. Let's do this finale. We promised you guys a cool prize, so check this out. This is probably the first time you ever done something like this, so we want you guys to always remember us. We're gonna give you something that says Official Street Performer World Stage Pro 2019 Sunset Festival Pier 16. Listen, just do us one favor, okay? We want you guys to always approach life with the same confidence you had this afternoon. You guys were absolutely great. Give them a big
All
round.
right.
All right, we're ready. Let's do this finale. You guys can go back. Thank you very much. Here we go.
Thank you. That was
Wait. Just make sure you go back to the right family. Kids get excited.
All right, gentlemen,
good.
line up
We
right
gotta
over
come back.
here.
Cody got that.
We're about to do
Cool.
this. Get your cameras ready. No production takes off or no production is possible.